Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Honey. So today we are going to do a general no contact reading irrespective of signs, and this is a timeless reading guys. So whenever you come across this reading, this may have some insights for you. Alright, so if you want me to do a no contact reading based on the zodiac signs, please do let me know and I will do the readings accordingly. So let's see, what do the cards have for you? In this reading, we will see the overall energies in the connection, the energies of the person, what's blocking this connection, and then your energies. Also, we'll take the guiding messages at the end from the oracle deck. So please do stay till the end. Let's see, what do the cards have here? If you're interested in seeing the October to December readings, to understand and see what 2025 has for you at the end, you can check that reading out on my channel. It's done on the basis of zodiac signs, so you can check that out based on your zodiac sign. All right, so let's see the overall energy here. Okay, let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles. Let's clarify Nine of Pentacles. Okay, all right, so the overall energy in this connection is, I see whatever or with whomever you were dealing with, आप जिस भी connection में थे, आप जिस भी situation में थे, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा कहीं ना कहीं disagreements थे, conflicts थे, there was a lack of efforts also I am seeing from the person you are dealing with. Okay, so because of that, it was giving a lot of tension, stress, anxiety, all that was happening. It was like you both were not able to come to a conclusion on anything. Okay, and right now the energy here is that whatever you are focusing on, for some of you I see you are focusing on your money, you're focusing on your work, you're focusing on your growth and having this energy of being at peace with your own self. Okay, that is what I'm getting, which is good. So you are kind of somewhere, I also see that you are not indulging in the conflicts. आप conflicts or disagreements में आप नहीं पड़ रहे हो, आप it's like instead of focusing on that, I would rather focus on my work and grow in my life. For some of you, I see you're also growing spiritually when you are not wasting your energy in this kind of energy of conflict, drama, fights, disagreements. Okay, so it's like you are dealing with the situation with so much of peace and maturity. You know where you have to use your energy and what is important to focus on right now. Okay, for some of you, I also see you're focused on your mental health, that for you it's like the peace is the most important thing for me. I don't know what kind of agreements are going on, but you are focusing on your mental peace, your health, your physical health, your growth. That is what I'm getting here, which is a good energy. That's good. So let's see, what are the energies of the person right now you are dealing with? What are the energies of the person you are dealing with? What are the energies of the person you are dealing with in a no contact situation? Basically, dealing with as in the person is in your mind and you're not in contact with that person. Okay, so let's see, what are the energies of this person right now? What are the energies of this person right now? What are the energies of this person right now? Okay, let's clarify Five of Cups. Let's clarify. Okay, one card flipped. Let me take that out. Yeah, it's Two of Pentacles. Alright, let me just see if that card wants to come. It will come. Yep, I can see it. Okay. Alright. Right now this person is, somewhere they are still in this, energy of focusing on lack. They are pretending to move on from the situation. Okay, because this energy can be your energy or their energy. The roles can be reversed. But here, this person is somewhere still focusing on what is gone. Okay, so whatever connection you both were having, this person is somewhere still missing that. Okay, they are having this feeling of ki, why everything fall off, ये क्यों हुआ, जो भी, whatever the way connection ended, it's still giving them pain, and they are still, kind of juggling to manage between their emotions and their finances. Somewhere because of this, they are still overthinking, and they are trying their best or trying to figure out a way where they can balance whatever situation they are in. I also see they are trying to balance two different relations, and because of that, it can be for very specific of you, a very few, ki, you are dealing with someone who is having commitment issues. They already have one person and they are still missing the connection with you, and they are juggling, not able to decide to whom they should give importance to, and that is why they are in this loop of dancing. Sometimes they feel whatever they have is important, and sometimes they feel, they are good with you. So basically not able to decide, and ये decide नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, इसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा overthinking है. They are in this loop. Basically there is a lack of decision making energy of this person, but this person is definitely missing the connection they had with you. There is a feeling of, losing a connection where they actually felt connected. Okay, so yeah, that is what is happening here. Okay, all right. This person is thinking about you. I see that this person is watching you over social media. This person is watching you from afar, and they are thinking a lot about you and not able to sleep, basically. For some of you, this person is, not having the enough courage to come to you. Maybe they want to stay away and see you from afar, but still they are in this energy of not able to sleep because they cannot forget the kind of connection or the kind of bond you both shared, the kind of emotional support आपने जो प्रोवाइड किया था इस पर्सन को, ये उससे ओवरकम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, और जिस भी स्पेसिफिक रीजन की वजह से आप डिस्कनेक्ट हुए हो. For some of you, I strongly feel this person is dealing with two things in life. Okay, it may be a third party also, where they are not able to decide what they do actually want. Okay, and because of that, they are overthinking. They are watching you from afar. For some of you, if you are into social media, if you are if you have a social media page and you are still in touch with this person, they are still watching you from afar and thinking a lot about you. Different kind of scenarios they are creating in their mind, and overthink कर रहे हैं. Anxiety हो रही होगी for some of you. They are going through the anxiety and not able to think clearly. Yeah, focusing on lack again, not focusing on what they are already blessed with, rather focusing on what is already gone. ठीक है, सो मतलब इनके पास अगर सब कुछ है ना, अगर ये अगर देयर इज अ सिचुएशन कि अगर ये थर्ड पार्टी है इन्वॉल्वड इसमें, सो दे आर नॉट हैप्पी विद दैट आल्सो, सो दे आर फोकसिंग ऑन व्हाट इज गॉन, राइट, एंड नॉट काउंटिंग ऑन देयर ब्लेसिंग. Yep. Okay, let's see their feelings for you. What do they feel for you? What do they feel for you or for this connection? What do they feel for you or for this connection? What does this person feel for you? Okay, let's clarify. 8 of Cups. All cups are coming up. So many emotions are involved here. Let's clarify 8 of Cups. Let's clarify 8 of Cups as the feeling. Oops. Oh, all right. So this person somewhere feels that you have moved on. Okay, so ये person की energy है कि ये या तो ये आपसे इस situation से move on करना चाहते हैं, या फिर ये आपको they are seeing you like someone who has already moved on from this connection. There was some communication, something was said or something was disclosed or something, कोई conversation हुआ है, कुछ कोई बात ऐसी हुई है, कुछ ऐसी information आई है जो which was very painful to deal with, and one of you has decided to move on from this connection. As of now, this person feels that you have moved on from this connection and they also want to move on from it. Okay, it can be moving on from your this energy of missing you and whatever the kind of bond you have shared. They want to move on from this connection. Yeah, but they definitely, had a strong emotional bond and a emotional connect with you. That is what I'm getting. Yeah. They are somewhere tired of waiting for the rewards. Maybe they are tired of dealing with the situation and now they have surrendered everything to the universe. And it's like, I have done my best, I have put in all the efforts, and now nothing is in my hand. Okay, that is what also this person is kind of thinking and feeling for you. Okay, whatever I could do, I have done my best. Now let this person decide whatever they want, let them do. I will just watch from the far. मैं सिर्फ दूर से situation को observe करूंगा या करूंगी. This is irrespective of genders. So they are just watching. Maybe they are waiting for you to reach out. They are waiting for you to reach out is what I'm getting. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's blocking this connection. What's the blockage in this connection? What is blocking this connection? Okay. All right. Okay. Now, for some of you, as I said, there is a third party involved in this connection. Okay. And because of that, this person is not able to decide. They are waiting for the justice to be served. Now, I don't know if you're dealing with someone who is already into a, already stuck in a legal situation, a separation kind of thing legally, or they actually want the justice from the universe to be served without going to the extent of taking the matter to in the legal way. There is a third party involved. That's clear. That's clear. Please clarify what's blocking this connection. Please clarify. 3 of Cups. Please clarify 3 of Cups. What's blocking this connection? Okay. All right. Yes. So whatever connection they are in, they are somewhere, again, this energy of tired. I have done everything from my end and I cannot take it for, take it more. I cannot even deal with it even more. मतलब, मैंने जितना मुझसे हो सकता था मैंने टॉलरेट कर लिया. मैंने, जितना मुझसे एफर्ट्स हो सकता था मैंने सारे एफर्ट्स दे दिए हैं. But now I can't take it anymore. I just want the justice to be served. So it's like they are in this energy of getting justice. Please clarify the justice card. Maybe for some of you, this person is emotionally, energetically, physically tired, but they are, distracting their mind by surrounding themselves with the people around. Again, it can be for very specific that they are kind of distracting their mind by engaging themselves in some kind of celebration. Maybe surrounding themselves with so many people and, partying and going out so that they don't get enough time to actually think of all this. That is also I'm getting. Let's clarify the justice card, please. What's blocking this connection? Okay. Yeah. This person is somewhere looking for a new beginning. Okay. They are waiting for the justice as in something, they don't deserve whatever they are going through and they want some kind of a fresh start, a new start. For some of you, I also see that whenever they are, whenever they go through this thing, whenever they go through this energy of 9 of Swords, they do feel that, they need to realize something and they are going, it's kind of an awakening they are having. Maybe they are understanding the, issue they had, maybe the commitment issue they had. They are trying to understand what was the actual problem and try to work on it. For some of you, it's like they are leaving it like it's a karmic thing, right? I'm getting it very strongly that for some of you, they are seeing it as a karmic lesson or a karmic return from the universe. I don't know why I'm getting it, but yeah, that's a very strong message I'm getting. Let's take one more. All right. Yes, this person is being very strong, very energetic, but they are not thinking in a in a practical way, in an organized way. This person is someone who wants that control in their hand. They want the things to happen how they want it to happen. somewhere they want that control, okay, that whatever they want, things should happen that way, and it's not happening. Maybe for some of you, I'm strongly getting it that they somewhere tried to control the situation on how they wanted it. It did not happen, and things, things just fallen apart, and now it's like getting disturbed. What do you say? Getting difficult for them to, accept it. That how it can happen. I was handling it. I was managing it. How can it fall off? Something is completed here. Yeah, something is going to complete. One chapter is over. I guess it's for you that whatever you were dealing with, whatever kind of situation you were dealing with, this conflict energy, you are out of it. You are out of it, and a connection or a lesson is over. Again, I'm getting that, it's a karmic phase of your life, a karmic lesson of your life you were supposed to learn, and it's over. You have learned it. That phase is completed. You don't have to focus your energy on what's gone, because it's a last major arcana card. It's a completion card. Okay, so that is what I see. Something is completed. It's like a turning point in the life. Okay, so maybe it's for you, it can be for them, that whatever the situation is, it's a turning point to see things from a new perspective, and that is what the Judgment card is also saying. Okay, that whatever, yeah, that's quite clear that it's a karmic, end of a particular thing. It was written in your soul plan to go through this suffering, to इस suffering से आपको गुजरना होगा, so that you can realize, you can learn your lesson, and then that part is completed. This chapter, this phase is completed, and now new things are going to unfold. We'll take one more. And then we'll move to your energies. We'll take one more from this. Yeah, so one phase is completed. Now you have to work on your soul plan. Okay, for you, the guidance I'm getting here is that you need to work on your soul plan, and you need to meet people, you need to collaborate, you need to understand what you have learned from all this connection, from this cycle, and you need to focus towards your growth. You need to focus towards upgrading your knowledge, to know your life purpose. Okay, that is what you need to do. Maybe you need to look for a mentor, for a guide, for a tutor, whomever, whoever who can give you the guidance to move ahead in your life. Okay, so just try to see, and if you're not getting it, you can obviously go for a, you can always go for guidance. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm getting. Something completed for sure. Okay, that was not easy. Whatever the situation was, or whatever the situation right now, is not easy, and it's going to end. If it's not ended yet, it's going to end for sure. Okay, now let's see what are the next move, by when you can expect, if there is any connection, any communication coming in from this person, by when you can expect that. If there is a communication coming in from this person, because it's a Page of Wands, right? So if there is a communication coming in from this person, by when you can expect that. Okay, when you let go. See see, it's like whenever you let go of certain thing, right, things will start falling off ऑटोमेटिकली. सो आप जितना टाइट आप रेत को पकड़ते हो, वो उतनी जल्दी आपके हाथ से गिरती है, राइट? सो समटाइम्स इट्स लाइक यू नीड टू सरेंडर एवरीथिंग टू द यूनिवर्स, एंड थिंग्स विल ऑटोमेटिकली अनफोल्ड फॉर यू. सो एज whenever you are ready to let go of the past connection, whenever you are ready to let go of this stuck energy, of this past energy, the new things, the path will automatically unfold for you to walk on. Okay, let's see what are the messages we have for you now. What are the energies here for you? What are your energies for this connection? What are your energies in this connection? What are your energies in this connection? Yep, moving on. So whatever you have learned, whatever lesson you have learned, you need to focus on the lesson and drop off everything. It's like you gotta walk away. walk away from all that which is not meant for you. Just leave it, surrender it to the universe, and walk towards the sunshine. Okay, and somewhere you are already doing it. I see this Nine of Pentacles was your energy, having that peace on your own. You're working on your intuition, you're working on your awakening, on your spiritual guidance. You're mainly focusing on your intuition and connection with the higher realms. अगर आप meditate नहीं कर रहे हो, again, if you are not meditating, you need to meditate, and अपने intuition पे आपको काम करने की जरूरत है, if you are not already doing it. See, it's this in energies of Two of Swords, right? Again, if you are not sure where this path will take, okay, you are not sure of where I'm heading to, मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ, ये रास्ता किधर लेके जा रहा है मुझे, अगर आपकी इस तरह की एनर्जी है, so don't worry, okay? Once you start connecting with your intuition, you will automatically get the clarity. Maybe आप अभी नहीं देख पा रहे हो, अभी आप decide नहीं कर पा रहे हो कि what is happening, how will things turn out, but it will definitely happen. All you have to do is work towards your passion. Okay, अपने don't give up on the energy, don't be in this energy of I can't do it. Just set yourself free. Okay, set yourself free from all your limiting beliefs. आपके जो भी self doubts हैं that I am not good enough, things don't work out for me, don't be in that energy. Just change your frequency, be passionate towards your goal. जिस भी चीज़ में आपको इंटरेस्ट है, आपकी कोई हॉबी है, आपको कुछ नया सीखना है, just go for it and change your frequency, be passionate, because there is this celebration coming in, there is this growth coming in, abundance coming in your way. Okay, it's a Ten of Pentacles, it's an abundance card, so this is definitely coming in. But to get this, you have to be in this energy, you have to connect with your intuition, you have to let go of your past baggage, and things will, the way will automatically open up. You have to surrender to the universe, you need to let go of all that which you are holding back. Okay, it can be your beliefs, it can be your experiences, your traumas, your hidden emotions, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So you need to let go of all that low frequency things and work towards your goal with passion. Yeah, okay, maybe this ending of something was a bit painful thing, and it was very difficult for you to overcome that pain, and that is why somewhere you are not ready to open up. Okay, and you are kind of not seeing things. Okay, you're like, I don't want to see anything, let it happen whenever it has to happen, I don't want to do anything, I don't want to meet anyone, I don't want to talk to anyone. Okay, उस तरह की energy दिख रही है मुझे, but you need to come out of this energy, you need to come out of this energy, from this to this, and from this to this and this. Okay, that is how the story is, right? So you need to come out from this painful energy, focus on self-love, focus on healing yourself, do what makes you happy, pamper yourself. Okay, go on a trip, if you love to travel, go on a trip, and focus on your skills. Okay, focus on your skills, whatever you want to work on. You love to garden, you love to you love arts, you love music, whatever is it, तो यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन दैट. ओके, अपग्रेड योर स्किल, वर्क टूवर्ड्स इट. अगर आपको म्यूजिक सीखना पसंद है, आपको कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स प्ले करना पसंद है, सो जस्ट स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. इट्स लाइक यू नीड टू जस्ट बी हैप्पी. we'll take one more, yeah, and connect with your higher realms. Okay, so once you are in this energy, you will definitely get the divine protection, divine guidance, and you will see things unfolding for you. Okay, whatever the stuck energy is will automatically go off, and things will start automatically unfolding for you. All right, we'll take one message from the Fairies Oracle. What's the message for you? What's the guiding message for you? What's the guiding message for you? Yeah, you got to come out of this stuck energy and this energy of past. Let go of everything. Don't try to hold back or try to hold on to your pain, to your traumas, or to your experiences also. Just learn your lesson and let it go. It's like you need to declutter your thoughts also. You need to declutter what you're keeping in your heart, in your mind. even in your phone. If you have the past memories, past photos, and if you just keep on crying looking at that, you are in a low frequency. You are, lowering down your vibrations, which is not good. So just focus on self-love, self-healing, and coming out of this energy. All right. Let's see what's the guiding message for you. Ask for help. See. So we have angels are being who protect everyone, and the fairies say now is the time to ask for help, for angelic assistance. So there is nothing wrong in asking for help. If you need clarity on where you're heading to, where your path is going, and you need some kind of guidance, you can always ask for it. Okay, don't be afraid that nobody will understand you and nobody can help you. It's not that. Just you need to ask for it. So whenever you feel stuck in a situation, whenever you feel you need some guidance, अगर आप आपके घर पे कोई ऐसा है, आपका आपका कोई फ्रेंड ऐसा है, आपके वर्क प्लेस में कोई ऐसा है, या फिर कोई स्पिरिचुअल मेंटर ऐसे हैं, कोई स्पिरिचुअल गुरु है, कोई भी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन, सीनियर पर्सन जो आपको जेन्युइनली हेल्प करेंगे फॉर योर ओन गुड, यू कैन ऑलवेज टॉक टू देम अकॉर्डिंगली. इफ़ यू फील कि आपके आसपास कोई नहीं है who can help you, just close your eyes and ask the universe to help you. You will get the signs, you will get the messages, you will get the answers in different ways. It can be किसी म्यूजिक के थ्रू हो सकता है, किसी सॉन्ग के थ्रू हो सकता है, किसी बुक को आप पढ़ने बैठो, हो सकता है उस बुक में आपको कुछ मैसेज मिल जाए. आप सोशल मीडिया ओपन करो, उसके थ्रू आपको मैसेज मिल जाएगा. यूनिवर्स इज रेडी टू हेल्प अस, बट इट्स द थिंग इज यू नीड टू बी रेडी टू आस्क and in the receptive zone. Okay, so that is what the message here we have for you. All right, so this was a good reading, guys. So please do claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.